ASMR.
Oh, God.
I like it.
Whisper.
Okay, this ASMR. You stupid gay girl.
La 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 la.
ASMR. Oh, it's so yummy.
You're that kind of woman. No. This is better.
Don't tag me.
Actually, this is better. No.
Tomorrow is another diet. Right, mother?
Hey, how many did you had?
No, third one.
Yeah, that's your third one. That you're enough. I have 5. I only ate 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,
Ito
3,
yung
4. So grandma
hambons pa
gets
nung
4.
nakaraang buwan.
Grandma, you get 4. I get 4.
I'm not stupid.
Sinigang.
You ate 2.
No, I ate.
Sinigang na baboy.
You said 3.
They're
No,
fight.
shine.
They're fight.
Kyla has 3. She gets 3. Stop.
You still have a lot, girls.
Yeah, but Kyla asked for only 3. That she already ate her third one.
Okay. Kayla, you said 3. So stick on
Yes,
3.
you did.
Ask your grandma if she can share hers.
Nope.
Oh. Your grandma want a... Oh, it's okay to her. Okay.
You stupid
Yeah,
avocado, avocado.
I was smart and I ordered 6.
I like your eyes here again.
Stupid
It looks
avocado,
like a
avocado
color
clone.
blue. It looks like color gray.
You have to make sounds.
Look at my foot. ASMR.
Lala.
Ew.
Stupid fatty. You're so fat.
Yeah,
Oh my
thank
God.
you. Thank you. At least I will
This
survive.
one's deformed.
Kyla, that's grandma's.
Ang gulo ng background ko.